take you on a date. Your mask full on, so it's covering your face. I could see the smile, yeah, it's coming out of place. Don't wanna spread disease, but just let me spread that cake. We can start it off easy, stripping off the clothes. Let me check you for some vid. The being cold together just for a risk of touching skin to skin, isolated within
I can feel your skin, breaking isolation with me. Cause we're talking to a part, tell just what I want. Girl, it's just you and me. 19 days together, make it last forever. Risk the cough and fever, to give each other pleasure. Make you feel it all, running those symptoms. Make you breathing hard for contagious. Spending false news, telling bros and your crew every single shit I do. Talking about he's doing this and he's doing that. Bitch, nigga, just please do you. You ain't got a clue of the shit I say. You ain't got a clue of the shit I do. Get from the surface, you ain't got no clue. Bitch, I'm top of the food chain. Who is you? I'm down to show off my place. Niggas all in my face. Niggas all in my case. With my shit, I don't play. Multi-talented in every way, bitch.
Quarantine on talking, bitch. I don't need you spreading shit. Quarantine on talking, bitch. I don't need you spreading shit.
Pocket watching, niggas watching, waiting for me to mistake. Taking what's left on my plate, falling for all of my bait, following up on my page. Niggas want what I want yesterday. Niggas see what I do is okay. Can't crack the code to my safe. Superstition in the shit that I play, cause you can't do the shit that I say. I don't need you spreading shit. Talking is irrelevant. Now why? Animosity got you tripping. Hop your ass off of it. I don't need you spreading shit. Talking is irrelevant. Animosity got you tripping. Hop your ass off of it.